Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photo with Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you will need to open in camera. Right here click on the macro mode and then get your phone about 4 or 5 centimeters from the object you want to take the macro photo of, and also make sure that you have a very good light on that object, maybe like this. When you're ready, click on the shutter and that's how you take the macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.